about that. But let's look at page 4, where of the Standard, which says country faces constitutional crisis with 6 options floated. Like I mentioned, we're going to go through those options not too long from now. Page 4 of the Standard, if we have that. If not, well, it says country faces constitutional crisis with 6 options floated. And the question, as an advocate of the High Court, is, does the law allow for a crisis? Because this could be, or rather, the question I'm trying to ask is this a political narrative or is it a legal narrative that we could actually have a constitutional crisis?
Well, in terms of law, strictly speaking, when you say a constitutional crisis, then a constitutional crisis will be a scenario where there is an impasse between either arms of government, judiciary, the executive, or the legislature. That then now will be a constitutional crisis for which the current provisions of the constitutional law cannot be able to resolve. What we have then now, strictly speaking, is a political crisis because it's an impasse resulting out of different political positions taken by different political actors, as it were.
Okay.
Right now, there are still institutions. We have IBC, we have our courts, we have parliament. So within these institutions, then, there will be able to be a solution going forward of this crisis.
All right, something else that might be overshadowed, and would like to hear what your take is on this.